Hi guys,
This is Triza,
this is Samantha
and today we are doing the sneezing challenge once again.
for you guys.
Alright, I'm so sorry we have uploaded the video a little late today because we were busy with many other things. So, really sorry for that. So, let's start without wasting your time with the sneezing challenge. Okay, so I'm waiting. See, we know that you guys send us requests on sneezing with tissue, and some people said that use bobby pin and try sneezing, but it never works with us. It only thing that works with us is chickney. So let's try this, and yeah. Next time we can try for something else, but today
It's only
chickney. 1, 2, 3. Hope you guys are safe, maintaining social distance, taking utmost care of yourself and your family. So are we.
Oof. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, guys.
Comment.
Hope you guys are enjoying. What was that look? Oh, sorry.
Same.
Next video, we shall get our mommy to sneeze especially for you on high demand. I see a lot of requests coming for mommy dearest, asking get your mom for sneezing challenge. So next video, mommy will be with you. That's about it, guys. I think we are done.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and please
Stay safe.
and share this video as well. Thank you, guys. We love you.
Bye.